Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I'll pause the recording software for now and I'll be back at market open. Have an order at 55 here for a call contract. So I am looking to do options. Needs to come down a little bit more. Ah, that was a move I wanted. So close, but not quite. If you're not familiar with my screen, if you look here, I wanted to see that go down to 55, and then I had a white order over here, which is now gone. I had the white order turn green. That means I would have been able to purchase, and I should say that if you don't know what I mean by options, or if you're intimidated, don't be intimidated, or if you don't know what they are, just let me know in the comment section. Just put guide or option guide, and I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options, and it'll walk you through how all this works in a very simple way. So if you're somebody that likes to approach things in more of a simple way, then I'm confident you'll get a lot of value out of that guide. So like I said, just comment below option and I'll link that to you. But I'll go ahead and pause for now. I have an order at 54.50 here for a call. Again, I'm watching that number down there. And close. In at 54.50. And had to just go for $50 there. Went for 100 at first. May still have gotten it, but yep, I would have gotten it. That's hindsight. But wanted to try for the $100 sniper shot. It got up there again. If you scroll back, you'll notice that that number did change to 55.50. And then it started to go back down. I thought, okay, potentially that was my chance. So then just decided to go for 50 bucks instead. So, I mean, a failed trade in the sense of I didn't get my goal, which was the $100 move. But I'll still take the 50 bucks. So it is what it is. I will go ahead and pause. Did I even hit record there? I did. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna go for put here at 51. I think I was late to that party already. You can see it bounced right off that blue line. All right, I'll pause. I'll keep a close eye on it though. I have an order at 53.30 here for a call. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. I have an order at 50.50. I adjusted it down for a call. So I want to see it come down a bit more. Right around that blue line would be ideal. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe here. Again, I'm at 50.50. In at 50.50. Okay, that one did not work out so good. I don't know if the mic's picking up my daughter in the background, but she is singing happy birthday to somebody. I'm not sure who, because it is not anybody's birthday. At least I don't think it's anybody's birthday. All right, I am lost control mode right now. And this is just a nasty, nasty move here. So I don't want to get panic out on the bid, trying to get filled on the offer. See if I can get out at 48. Maybe even better than that, because nice candle here forming. So trying to get out here at 48.50. And out for a $200 loss. Well, that's what happens sometimes. Got in, had to go into loss control mode, and it took a little bit bigger loss than what I wanted to. But all things considered, I'm glad I didn't panic out, because at one point, if you're watching, the levels down here, I think it might have, it was down like over 400. So over 400 versus 200, I'll take it. Granted, no, I could have even gotten out at 49 really, but this is all hindsight speaking now. I'm glad I adjusted that up another $50 or another 50 cents, which equated to $50 once I saw that candle start to form. But yeah, it just did not care at all about that purple line. So, all right, I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 59.50 here. That's ridiculous. So it's going to need to pop all the way up there for me to get filled. So I don't like that at all. So let's go to 58.50. See if that works out any better. Nope. Putzing around with it too much. All right, I'm going to pause. Have that order back at 59.50 here. No, I don't like how I'm just sitting there on the bid. This one's starting to feel like it's playing games. Yeah, I'm glad I canceled that out. Let's try 58.50 here instead. In at 58.50 for a put. And out for $50 there, very good. And I should note, I'm not looking to get back that loss in one big trade. That's how you get yourself into a bigger hole. I'm just sticking with the strategy, and if I close right on the day, then okay, I close right on the day. But a very good way to make a hole bigger is to try to get that hole dug out all in the same trade. Just stick with your strategy, and if I don't close red or green on the day, that's okay. Right now, I'm down $100 with commissions. I don't know, 105, 106. I'm confident, and for those of you that have watched past videos, you know that I can make over $100 in a day. So there's no need to panic. There's no need to freak out. Just continue to trade the system. Have an order at 58.30 here for a put. All right. Got somewhat close. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 54 here for a call. No, that's dangerous. That's real dangerous. Looking over the 5 minute, that's not where I should be buying, because if that breaks, I think it'll move very, very quickly. In fact, I'll throw an order down there at 50 just in anticipation of a bigger move, so maybe I can get some sort of quick knee jerk to the downside. So, all right, I'll pause. Have an order at 55 here for a put. Got close, not quite close enough. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 55. 50 here. Look at that, just sitting there. Yeah, that's some frustration in my voice. Now, so in other words, this thing's gonna have to pop up further if it would ever have filled me there, so I don't like that at all. Yeah, look, even right now, I'm not even out there. Somebody, I mean, just 55.50, just sitting right there. I mean, it's right at that key location, but yep, see? Yep, so I played that one right. Still gonna keep an eye on it. Yeah, 54.50. No, that's a forced trade. I'm frustrated. That's a total forced trade right there. Not because I'm red. That actually is just very annoying how it's that difficult to get filled. And 54.50, that's just random up there. I'm looking for a reason, like, okay, maybe I saw something. No, I definitely did not see anything. That is totally a random entry point. So frustration getting to me again, not because I'm red, but yeah. Okay, I will pause. I might just be done because that's never a good sign. If, as a trader, if you recognize yourself starting to get frustrated and irritated, and then no, it's okay if that occurs. But if it starts to influence you, and it just did influence me in what way? Well, I literally just threw an order out there that was very random. I guess to pat myself on the back a little bit, I'm glad I recognized that quickly, canceled the order out. But I also have to admit to myself, okay, you've officially lost control in a sense because. Emotions will never disappear. It's just the idea of not letting them influence you and controlling them. But I did just get influenced a little bit. But I'm glad I recognized that very quickly. So I'm on very, very thin ice right now. So I need to be very aware of that. All right, I will pause. Sorry, I was trying to hold back a cough there, and I was failing at the end. But yeah, if this thing wants to come up a little bit more, that'd be fine. But as of right now 54.50 does still seem a little interesting now, given how some of these patterns are looking on the other time frames I'm looking at. Right here, this is just simply the 1 minute time frame, but off screen up there, I have the 2 minute, and then I have another monitor way over. Whoop, I just went off the recording. Over there, I have another monitor. So I'm working with 3 monitors, so you only see a small section of it, but if it can get up to this yellow line, then I'd be more interested, but I'll pause for now. But I should note that 54.50 entry point, I would have been filled, and it'd be a losing trade right now. So, I mean, right there, classic example of how emotions can influence you to do dumb things, and then those things can lead to losing trade. So yeah, this would, without doubt, be a losing trade. I would be in loss control mode right now and just looking to minimize this loss as much as possible because, like I said, that was just a totally random spot where my emotions led to frustration. But I'm glad I at least recognized that. I'll go ahead and pause. Well, and then I turn my back and it hits that yellow line and then it pulls back. So now I'm officially just done for the day. I'll laugh about it, but the funny thing is, you heard me say, hey, if it gets up to that yellow line, I'd be interested. And it got up there, got rejected. So that would have been a winning trade. But I literally saw a text pop up. I was checking the text. I looked back and there we have it. So I'm officially no longer capable of trading. My emotions were influencing me already. And now this event of, oh, nice job. You turn your back and so, I am the victim. That's how I'm starting to feel today. I'm the victim. And if you ever start to feel as though you are the victim, just be done for the day. Because I assure you, you are not the victim. That's just how trading goes sometimes. So I am now at that point. Clay, you only post your red days or you only post green days. Where are your losing days at? Where are your losing trades at? Well, here you go. Here is a losing trade. Not only a losing trade, but a red day. I mean, a lot of days I have losing trades, but I end up staying green or getting back to green. But that's not going to be the case here. So here is a losing day. So do I have red days? Yes, I do. And yeah, just not my day and frustrated. And it is what it is. So if you've ever had these days, there's at least two of us, because you're not alone, because there's me. But it happens. So don't be too hard on yourself. But again, the idea, just be honest with yourself. And if emotions have taken over, okay, you're a human being, that happens, but recognize it, admit it, and then just move on with your day so that you don't go out there and do anything stupid like you saw me about to do with that random trade that I was going to throw out there. So thanks for watching. Take care. If you appreciate the transparency, hit the like button, leave a comment below. Just been there, or something like that. I hear you. I don't know, just something in the comment section. But those things communicate to me that you enjoy these live videos, as they're not the easiest to make. I have to think for myself, analyze my trades, scan, make alerts in the chat room. So I don't say that for pity. I just say, to build perspective, that these are not easy videos to make, since they are truly live. But if you enjoy them, I will continue to make them. And the easiest way to communicate that to me is just to leave a basic comment and hit that like button. So everybody take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.